Hello guys, welcome to the second class, which is history. And during this class we will be talking about the house parts, the rooms that we can find in our houses. As you know, in history classes we've been talking about different types of houses, and today we will explore a little bit more about the rooms that we can find in every house nowadays. So I will open now my lesson plan so you can see it. Let me get here. Here we have it. So the first thing is some questions that I would like to ask you. The first question is, where do you sleep in your house? Where? If you said in your bedroom, yeah, that's it, you were correct. And where do you brush your teeth? Where do you brush your teeth? The bathroom. Bathroom. Look, these two words, they are pretty similar. One is bedroom, bedroom. And the other one, bathroom, bathroom. Great. And where do you watch TV? If you said in your living room, that's it. So you can say your lounge, living room. Great. So today we will talk about house parties. Do you remember them? When we start this year, we talked about the rooms in our houses. And today we will revise them and of course do some exercises about it. So I will now share with you a presentation so we can go over it and check the housey parts, the rooms in our house. So here we have houses and homes. Can you see here this room? What is the name of this room? That's the bedroom. And how do you know it? Yeah, that's true. We can find here the bed. So that's our bed. And that's the bedroom. This place here. Great job. So let's go through the presentation. Do you know the name of this place? Do you know the name of this room? That's the bathroom. Is where we have our shower. The bathroom. Great. So we can see here the toilet, the sink, where we need to wash our hands. Great job. And this one. What is the name of this room? That's the kitchen. Great. So that's the kitchen. And how do you know it? Yeah, it's because it's the place that we cook. Great. So we can cook here and we can find our fridge, and usually we store our food here in the kitchen. Great job. And also, we can sit down to eat something quickly. Great. And that's it. That's the third room. And what is the name of this room? Bedroom. Bedroom. And how do you know it? The bedroom has a bed where we sleep. So bedroom. Great job. And how about this place here? We call it living room. And it's where we can watch TV. It's where we can play. If you do not have a playroom, you can play in your living room. So you can watch TV, you can play video game, you can just rest there. We can just chill out and rest. Great, so that's called living room. And here, this one, garage. Great job. It's where we put the car. Usually our parents, they put the car there. Great. And here, that's the garden. Yeah, that's the garden. And do you see here this house? So here we have the house and its garden just over here. So what we can do in the garden? We can play, yes. If you have pets, so usually the pets, they love playing here, playing around the grass. Great. And we can see here some plants. And here also some vases with plants on it. Look, great. And here, all of this place to play. Great. And this one, that's the window. Yeah, that's the window. And last class we talked about the outside of our houses. So now it's a little bit inside of our houses, above the rooms, and also about what we can see outside of the house. So here we have the windows, and as we know, the windows are made of glass. Great. Do you see here the glass? Yeah, we can see through it. Great job. And that's the knock, 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 knock. The door. That's the door. Great job. And the stairs. Great. So that's the stairs. And the gate. That's the gate. So we can open the gate or close the gate. Great. And the roof. The roof. Can you see here the roof? And what else do you see in this picture? We have the roof here. And here, what is it? The window. Great. That's the window. With green color around. That's beautiful, huh? I like it. And this one, I am sure you know. What is it? These are 1, 2 chimneys. Great. So these are the chimneys. Great job. That's it. So that's pretty easy, huh? Because we know the house parties and we know the rooms in our house. So let's come back here to the lesson plan. And you can see here this link. Let's play this game together. Can you label all the parts of the house? So here we need to play this game together through the video, because this is a link that just the teachers can click on it, and because we have to have an account to play this game. So as I have this account, so we can play this together, but maybe it won't work properly in your computer because you have to have an account. So we can play together, okay, during the video. Great. So we have here the house. We can see here many rooms in this house. So we can see here also a name. Do you see that name? Can you read this name? I will give you some time to read. Bathroom. bathroom. Great job. So now we have to drag this name with the correct place. So if you look here to this house, where do you see the bathroom? Can you see the bathroom here? Can you point to the bathroom? Great. So here, great job. Here it is. Are you sure? Yep. How do you know it? Because it's where we have our shower, so we can see here the bath, the toilet. Great. So here we have utility room. That's the same as laundry. The laundry room, so utility room or laundry room. It's where, I'll give you a tip. It's where we can wash our clothes. Check around. Where do you see it? Great. Here. That's true. So can you see here the washing machine? It's where we put our clothes inside and then wash it. Great. So here we have the attic. That's a new word. Attic. Do you know where is it? Great. So the attic is here. Oops. Just over here. Can you see here? Inside of the roof? Yeah, we call it attic. And sometimes we can put some bags there or suitcases, or, well, it's a place that we can store our things that we are not using. So we put these things in the attic. Great. And we have the basement. Totally opposite. So we have the attic, the upper floor, and the basement down. Yeah, the bottom of the house. So the basement, it's here. Look, in this house, the basement is almost enough. So maybe it's like a bookshelf here. So the basement is where we go down into the floor, and then we can find the basement there. And also we usually use it as an office, or if you have to keep your, for example, spare clothes there, or if you want to keep anything there, you can put it's some things that you are not using every day, so you can put in the basement. Great. Can you see here that we have two colors? Here blue and here brown. Do you see that? Great. That's because the basement, it is under the ground. So the ground, the streets are here. So the basement is under the ground. It's here. Yeah, great. So that's because we have two different colors. Okay, so let's go here. Dining room. Dining room. In this room, I think you know it, but in this room, we can eat. We can have our lunch or our dinner. Dining room. Great, it's here. And we have the living room. Living room is where we watch TV. And where is it? Yes. Can you see the sofa here? The TV? That's great. And here we have the kitchen. Kitchen. Can you read this word? Kitchen. Great. Kitchen. So here. Where is it? Yes, it's here. And the last one, that's the bedroom. Bedroom. Just over there. So now let's check. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and well done. Great job, everyone. Great job. So now let's go to the task. Are you ready for your task? So here we have, let me just get here. Okay. Here. First of all, we need to print this activity out. Or if you cannot print it, you can draw. Yeah? So we have here the house, and we have how many rooms? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great job. So we have 4 places to put the rooms here inside. But how many rooms we have here? We need to cut and paste. How many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one, that's the last one. So we have 4 places, 4 squares, and 5 rooms to cut and paste. So here, what we can do, we can draw a house with 5 squares. So we can place all of these rooms here. Or we can put here in the middle, draw a line in the middle and paste here one picture and paste the another picture here. Yeah. So we have to fold the picture, these pictures here. When I say picture, I mean this one here. Great. So those are the 2 options. So let's go here. Look at the cards, listen to the questions. Where does it go in the house? Put the cards in the correct place. So we have here the house, and we have here the cards. So first thing, you have to cut with your scissors and paste here. Okay, so cut and paste the cards. And here we have some questions. For example, let's go to the first question. Where do you read? So if you read in your bedroom, you can say, you can put here this, you can cut this stick, this card, little card, and glue here in the bedroom. If you can cut the sticks and glue at the back of your page in the correct place, or you can paste in the picture. Yeah, paste it on your picture. Great. So we have here, where do you read? If you read in the living room, you can cut this card and glue here. Yeah. Where do you play? If you say, Mrs. Stephanie, I play in the kitchen. Okay, so cut this out, this card, and glue here in the kitchen. But I don't want to glue here in this picture. You can glue it in the back. Okay, but for example, if here it's my bedroom, if I glue here my bedroom, and I don't want to glue my small cards here in this place, I have to turn my page, and at the same place, the same square that you have the bedroom card, that's this one, at the same place, but in the back, you glue it in the back. yeah, but in the same place. So we have here the room picture and the back. What do you do in this bedroom or in this room? Is that okay? So that's the activity that you have to do. So we have here some questions. So I will read them for you. When do you read? Where do you read? To where? In your kitchen, in the bedroom. Where do you play? Where do you do your homework? Where do you watch TV? Where do you eat dinner? Where do you have a bath? Where do you brush your hair? Where do you get dressed? Where do you eat breakfast? Where do you sleep? Where do you cook? Where do you brush your teeth? So these are the questions, and you just need to cut and paste in the correct place. Well, guys, that's the history class. So next class will be craft. And well, I hope you enjoyed this class, and it was super easy peasy lemon squeezy because we know the house parts and the rooms that we can find in our houses, but it was just a refill. So see you later, guys. Bye bye.